Imagine this: you're tired of your same old playlists. Scrolling, skipping, searching, nothing new ever quite hits the spot. Hours vanish, and you're still stuck in a musical rut. Sound familiar? What if I told you there's a way to unlock a universe of fresh sounds, tailor-made for your ears, instantly, and you don't even have to lift a finger? Because today, we're diving headfirst into the mind-blowing world of AI music magic. Forget endless scrolling. Forget stale recommendations. We're going to use AI to transform how you discover new artists, genres, and create the most epic, personalized playlists you've ever dreamed of. Seriously, it's like having your own personal DJ, music critic, and curator, all rolled into one powerful, intelligent assistant. And guess what? You already have access to some of these incredible tools. Think about it. How much time do you spend trying to find that perfect song for a workout? Or a chill vibe for a rainy afternoon? Or maybe you're just stuck listening to the same 10 artists on repeat. We've all been there. It's a struggle. But AI doesn't struggle. It learns. It understands. And it predicts what you'll love before you even know it. So, how do we actually do this? Let's start with discovery. Many of you probably already use streaming services like Spotify or Apple Music. Did you know they have AI-powered features built right in that you might be missing? Take Spotify's AI DJ, for example. It literally talks to you, introducing tracks it thinks you'll adore, based on your listening history, and even throws in commentary. It's like having a friend who really gets your taste. You just open the app, find the DJ feature, and press play. Instant, personalized radio, no effort needed. But what if you want to go deeper? What if you want to explore a super niche genre, or find music for a very specific mood? This is where general-purpose AI, like ChatGPT or Google Gemini, becomes your secret weapon. Open up your favorite AI chat tool. Instead of asking "recommend me some rock music," get *specific star. Try prompts like, "Find me instrumental folk music perfect for reading a fantasy novel," or suggest upbeat synthpop from the 80s that sounds like it could be in a sci-fi movie. The AI will scour its vast knowledge, not just of popular charts, but of interconnected genres, artists, and even lyrical themes. It understands context. And it will spit out artists and songs you might never have found otherwise. You can even ask it to explain why it chose those songs. It's a brilliant way to learn about new subgenres. Now, let's talk about building those dream playlists. This is where the true magic happens. Forget hours of curating. Imagine needing a playlist for a road trip across the desert. Or an intense coding session. Or even a playlist that makes you feel like you're starring in your own detective movie. Go back to your AI chat tool. Give it a scenario. Create a 2-hour playlist for a late-night drive through a cyberpunk city, featuring atmospheric electronic music with a melancholic edge. Or, generate a playlist of inspiring instrumental music for focused work sessions, avoiding anything with heavy drums. The AI will not only list songs, but often give you a reason for each choice, or suggest an order. You can even refine it, make it more upbeat, or swap out artist X for something similar but lesser known. It's like having a world-class playlist curator on demand, 24/7. This saves you hours of trial and error. It unlocks creativity you didn't know you had. Here's a pro tip that most people overlook: use AI to analyze your own taste. You can feed it a list of your favorite songs, or even a link to one of your existing playlists, and ask it questions like, "What are the common musical themes or characteristics in this playlist?" Or suggest artists similar to these, but from different countries or eras. The AI can pinpoint subtle patterns, instrumentation, tempo, lyrical themes, that you might not have consciously recognized. This helps you understand why you like what you like, and then use that knowledge to find even more targeted recommendations. It's like a deep dive into your own musical DNA. Mind blown. So, what does all this mean for you? It means no more musical ruts. It means your ears will constantly be delighted by fresh sounds. It means you're not just passively listening, you're actively exploring a vast, incredible world of music with the most powerful guide imaginable. And it's all at your fingertips. The key is to experiment. Play around with different prompts. Be specific, be creative. The more detailed you are, the more amazing your results will be. You'll be amazed at what you discover. Isn't that just wild? The idea that AI can not only understand your musical taste but anticipate it, and even expand it, is truly phenomenal. We're living in a time where technology is genuinely making our lives richer and more creative, especially when it comes to something as personal and powerful as music. What kind of wild, AI-generated playlists have **you** already stumbled upon? Or what specific prompt are **you** excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I absolutely love hearing about your AI adventures. And if you want to keep unlocking the magic of AI tools and tech, well, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and join our incredible community. There's so much more to explore together. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep creating, and keep those awesome tunes flowing.